Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kulur Krishnayar from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 4th November 2025, Tuesday, Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadrudau, Aipashima Tula Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 9:44 p.m, Chaturdashi, then Paurnami. Bhauma Vasaram, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 11:46 a.m. Revati, then Ashwini Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamakandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guliyagalam 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. Today's good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. and 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise 6:08 a.m. Kerala. Chandrashtam up to 11:46 Simharashi, then Kanni Rashi. Shulam North, Prayachittam, Milk. Today's Sradatthi Chaturdashi. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Mukambika Sambhurna Anigraha Prasada Siddhirastu.